And we saw an opportunity to transform another fundamental method of transit, and we call it Apple Car.
Apple Inc. has often set itself as a tech company producing premium products in a wide variety of categories in the tech industry. The main product offerings they are widely known for includes the sleek-looking iPhones and iPads, the powerful MacBooks, well-designed monitors for professional usage, and even the Apple Watch. Most of their products are really seamless, such that most of their customers who have experienced the Apple ecosystem with the different Apple products, such as the iPhones and MacBooks, always state that they can never choose a different brand for their tech products. As much as Apple has stretched their product line to different industries, such as the Apple TV in the streaming industry, Apple has made hints on extending their products further into the automobile industry. This is something that no Apple fan would have seen coming, but it is believed that the tech company is developing a car known as the Apple Car, which will increase the seamlessness of their tech products even further. As of now, the only tech product in the automotive industry that Apple offers its brand lovers is the Apple CarPlay, which was released in 2014. The Apple CarPlay enables users to turn any car's display into a controller for an iOS device. The Apple CarPlay has come in handy to lots of people using Apple's iOS devices, but then it seems like Apple is looking to bring more value to the automobile industry with its own built car. There has not been official information shared about the Apple Car, but we were lucky enough to get some interesting information on the features, the estimated price of it, and the expected release date, so make sure to watch till the end of the video to get all the details about the Apple Car. As expected, the build of the Apple Car has been a huge secret that the company has been keeping from the general public. This may be because they are still working on the little details of the car, or maybe they are protecting their invention from landing into the wrong hands, especially with the competitive automotive industry. The first hints that made people believe that Apple was building their own car was when Apple Incorporated CEO Tim Cook interviewed and he gave his thoughts on autonomous driving cars and how they will revolutionize the industry. He mentioned that autonomous cars are much more like robots, which have autonomy as their base technology, and that Apple in itself will see what they can do in that space. He added that Apple loves integrating hardware materials with software and services, after which they find an intersection point between that and build something around it, emphasizing that they like to own the primary technology around it. This statement was really eye-opening since Apple has owned the Apple CarPlay for a couple of years now, and as per his statement in the interview, they are probably looking to own the entire automobile system. One thing that strengthened the possibility of Apple building their own car was in his 2016 statement during Apple's Q4 2016 financial statements release. He mentioned that Apple is always looking for ways to improve the experience of their customers, and that the car space in general is an area that may bring with it technology that will revolutionize the industry. Despite the unclear statements about the Apple Car from CEO Tim Cook, the Apple Car project, which is codenamed Titan, has been in works for a couple of years now, running back to 2015. Since then, there have been multiple pieces of evidence to prove the secret Project Titan. The first evidence was a research published in 2017 by two Apple computer science professionals. The research published talk about a 3D detection system named VoxelNet, which is believed will enable autonomous cars to easily navigate roads shared with pedestrians and cyclists. It would not make sense why two computer science professionals from Apple would all of a sudden be interested in autonomous cars technology if it wasn't something that they were considering to go full scale with. All of these may just have been rumors, but in 2019, Apple had to seek help from the FBI to handle a major case that involved the sharing of trade secrets about their Apple Car project to a Chinese-based car startup by one of their former employees. The former employee named Xiaolong Zhang had been an employee at Apple since 2015 and ended up terminating his employment in May 2018, a couple months before the probe on his leak began in July 2018. Apple took quick action upon the realization of the ill behavior, which definitely showed that they really had a lot going on with the Apple Car project. After the incident, Apple was forced to have all the 5,000 employees who are working on the Apple Car project sign a non-disclosure agreement so as to be safe. To make sure that the Apple Car was built to the best of quality, they hired lots of experts in the industry, including ex-Tesla senior designer Andrew Kim, ex-Tesla chief of vehicle engineer, and even Doug Betts, who spent over 10 years as Senior Vice President of Global Quality at Fiat Chrysler Auto Manufacturing Company. After receiving a permit for testing their autonomous cars on public roads, Apple has built a total of 62 self-driving cars handled by about 87 drivers who have been testing the cars in the California area since 2018. With the Titan project being super secretive, Apple is believed to have been using a World War II naval base for those tests that may not be safe around public places. The World War II base used for the Project Titan is molded into sets that emulate real-life situations such as streets, highways, and rural environments. Talking about the features of the Apple Car, there have been leaks on how the car is expected to look like. The Apple Car is expected to have automatic doors that open and close without any noise. The car is also believed to be fitted with spherical wheels that will enable it to drive itself sideways as opposed to the traditional cars. Expected to be fully autonomous, the interior of the car will have no steering wheel or pedals. To bring in the luxurious feel to it, the Apple Car is expected to be fitted with augmented reality technology for displaying the infotainment systems. Just like Apple has specific operating systems for its computers and mobile phones, the Apple Car is expected to be fitted with its own Car OS, which will feature all the exciting technology the Apple Car will be filled with. Even though the Apple Car is expected to be a premium Apple product, like their other products, the price of an Apple Car is expected to be priced at $55,000, which is quite average if you compare it to the existing electric cars currently in the market. There have been multiple discussions as to whether the Apple Car will ever see daylight, or it may end up being a product that never comes to fruition, especially since CEO Tim Cook has on multiple occasions not made clear statements on whether people should expect an automobile from the company. With many auto manufacturing companies shifting towards building electric cars, Apple will have to go above and beyond to build a name for themselves in the car industry, or even better, become a leader in the industry. With that being said, it's time to end our video. Do you think the Apple Car will be better than the other electric cars currently in the market? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos like this.